it creates this sense of, we authentically care about the people that not only work here, but the people that patron all that we do. And you got to invest in them or they will never invest in you. And he said two things. He said, first, find a way to stop losing money. And second, whatever you do, don't tarnish the star.
You knew when you met Kelly that whatever she did, she would not tarnish the star. She would not tarnish the organization.
And that was my only directive. As a working mom, when I was younger, there were a lot of mornings that I woke up and asked myself if I was doing the right thing. There were a lot of moments that I had to give up. I remember him crawling under my desk and unplugging my computer to get my attention. That broke my heart. These are 36 different women from different walks of life that have different stories on how they got to where they are. And the journey that they go through, I think is very powerful. And to me, that's why I wanted to do it. That's why I wanted everybody to get a glimpse inside and to see what they were all about and to understand what it's like to truly pursue your passion.